ngake ngaphatheka kabuhlungu siswami ngila elokushini ngibona izingane ezigqoke odikhizi zistempele izinto zasejele. Understand kubona iswag yabo sikhohliswe kakhulu and sakuvumela ukukhohliswa because ukukhohliseka kwethu okukhulu kuqale masizotshelwa ukuthi umfundo ohlakaniphile umfundo wenza imaths nescience. I-generation yenu i-generation okuyiyona yadayisizwe to the lowest bidder ngoba inina bokuqala enakwazi ukulala nabantu bangaphandle abangafikanga ngokomthetho la nabazalela izingane.
Hello, sanibonani Dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalwela lwezinkonyane zona esihambela lekude phezulu. Do join. Sanibonani Dumelang, hello, bonjour, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalwela lwezinkonyane zona esihambela lekude phezulu. Ungubani na? Happy Heritage Month. Happy Heritage.
Hawu Nkosi. Ngiyabonga siswami mawuzoyibiza kamnandi kanje egcineni bese uthi ngubani na ngathi usho kimi.
Ngisho kuwe impela sifisa ukwazi namhlanje ukuthi ungubani na ngoba sihleze siyakubona lapha einkundleni zokuxhumana ususumsindo. People misquote you. People bakulalela with emotions. A disclaimer, I have Unkomonde on the studio today and siyamazi njengojele wodumo. Osusumsindo kakhulu einkundleni zokuxhumana ngeenkulumo zakhe. Yonke angisho ngesingisi khona labaphathi bezozwa. Kindly note a disclaimer that I'm putting on this episode that everything that we're going to discuss on this episode, it's Nkomonde's views. It has got nothing to do with Justice Department, which is he's employed under. And it's his views and his views only and what we are discussing. If we are talking about people who are in jail or whatever, and we happen to mention somebody's name, those are alleges, right? Allegedly. Before we get sued, before we get sued. And please don't forget, go and vote. Purposeful Influencer Awards, siyavota lapha ku Instagram. Just go and find the Purposeful Influencer Award page. Under that page, you will see there are nominees, different categories of nominations. There you will find Best Podcast 2025, and you just go straight down to the comment section and put meaningful conversation to Zandi Mfeka or Veluzanzeli Mpili Belula nje uthi Zandi Mfeka. None other than that, as this is a Heritage Month, we are celebrating African, I don't know what is African only, but we are in South Africa. I am dressed by Masters Clothing. It's our house of fashion. They are located in Johannesburg CBD, corner of Troy and Albertina Sisulu Street. Please visit them for all your occasions, your weddings, your whatever, your memulos. They are your people. Without a waste of time, conversation namhlanje kade ngiyilangazelela. Ngicela ubingelele abantu sikwazi ezinkomonde on TikTok. Kahle ungubani? Inyanga yamasiko. Hayi akuzisho inyanga yamasiko ne? Akuzisho sikuza uthi mawuzisho uzibiza uthi ubani?
Mina ngunkomonde uvundisa. Umnqamu ngathola umdapho nowadapho nabana namasende nje. Ngingudlomo ngudinangwe, ngumlotshwa, ngumsuthu, ngumfuphi.
Musho.
Indoda ayiqedwe.
Hayi indoda ayiqedwe.
Kodwa ke singifuna ukusigcina futhi. Nginguzalo likaManika ezidomba yesokeni nompoxelo ongasabanga ukuphoxa kwenda yakhe kaSithola. Inkosi ayiqedwe.
Igama lami ngisola sengathi sekwenza sebusokeni ke lezo.
Amakhehla angizalayo lawo. Mina kahle igama lami ngingusipho esihle wakwaNkomonde sibonga. Yeah siswa.
Nkomonde sakwamukela.
Ngiyabonga.
Ngibonge nje ukuthi uthathe leli thuba. I know it's a holiday today. We are shooting this on Heritage Day and uthathe isikhathi sakho sokuthi uzospenda nami today. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate and uphume emsebenzini.
Yeah.
Yo, I feel honored. I feel important.
Yeah, sister. Yes, sister.
Usukukhuluma lapha. Ake siqale nje from you as a person. I-background yakho engifuna ukubuza kahle have you always been wanted to be ujele?
Ngiqale ngebackground ngiqale ngo.
Ngicela uqale ngalombuzo bese ubuyahlehluye kwi-background mhlambe izosinikeza okunye futhi.
Okay ngiphendule lo object eqala ne.
Yes.
Okay. Eqinisweni naseqinisweni lodwa masikhula siyingane sibancane siswami siba namaphupho njengawo wonke umuntu. O inspire into esemahlweni akho.
Yeah.
Yabo into oyibona phambi kwakhe yona ogravitate kakhulu kuyona. So growing up, I will say, mina ngokwami ngangiyibona ngikwi-judicial panel
Nah.
ngokwefiso zami yabo. Be it mhlambe ngi-advocate or whatever elapha kuleya panel. So ngokwezimo zama-background and stuff angeke ngisa-dive deep lapho but akuhambanga kanjalo yabo. I think ngizobe ngekho firm mangizophendula obujela umbuzo ngingabuyelanga emuva kancane.
Yeah.
Ngiqeda isikole ngina 17 years ne, then mangina 18 years ngangena e-army. So indlela yami iqale e-army kahle kahle.
Wow, interesting.
Yeah, ngibe se-army for almost like it's over 10 years. 10 years 8 months into efana nale. Almost 11 years. So ngibe se-army until ngiba na almost 30. Then ngaphuma e-army ngajoin i-correctional services. So angeke ngize ngithi kwakusenhlizweni, but I think indlela idalwe umdala ndithina siyalandela phekwayo. Yeah, sisho.
Wow, interesting background. Kunjani e-army? Kunge ngizwe kuthiwa hayi i-training yakhona hayi usala amadoda abafana abaphuma ngomnyango.
Mina into engingayisho ngifisa ukuthi society at large nawe nje siswami nibe aware ngezinto eningekho aware ngazo. I-army akusile izinto eniyibona kuma movie. Akuyona i-fiction le niyibona kuma movie. I-army bazokutshela abantu abake basebenze e-army noma basase e-army namanje ukuthi iyafana ne-university.
Okay.
Yeah, i-army yonke i-profession ongayicabanga khona i-tertiary ikhona ngaphakathi e-army. Yonke into engayifundela whether use-college or use-varsity.
I heard there are even chefs there.
Iyo akusencane kwe-hospitality yonke into ongayicabanga e-existayo e-profession ikhona ngaphakathi e-army. So mawuthathwa laphana kwi-basic training leli haba lokuthi kuthiwa hey kwasho kwacima kanjani ayikho leyo nto. Laphana balwa ne-mental fitness, bazama ukukhanda ne-physical fitness, bazama nokukhanda ne-intellectual fitness, yabo into efana lezo. E-army kune-program khona abayibiza ngokuthi i-MSDS program.
Okay.
Military Skills Development Program. Irana for 2 years. Bafike bakuthathe for 6 months okuqala wenza i-physical training. Within i-unit le trainwa ku-training unit. Ahlukana akakhona ngokwama-province ahlukene. Emva kwaleyo 6 months bese niya-graduate. Yabo. Niyiswe kuma-unit ahlukene. Iy'nkambi siyibiza ngama-unit.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Bangikhuluma nge-unit, ngikhuluma ngenkambi. Yeah. So niyiswa kuma-unit ahlukene nationwide. Yabo. Mawusase kule training le ka 6 months uyakhetha ukuthi ufuna ukuba yini within i-army. Kunezinto abayibiza ngama-mastering ngaphakathi. Lapha i-mastering i-qualification or ngizothi ni-faculty ofuna ukusebenza under yona.
Ofuna ukuspecialize kuyona.
Exactly. That's why uthi kunabantu abawo-chef, labo bantu bafola under hospitality. Kunabantu abama-nurse, kuno-doctor, kunayo yonke inhlobo ye-speciality kwi-health department ngaphakathi. Kuna-pilot, engineers, HR, like finances, like you name everything yakhona qualification within the department as a Department of Defense ikhona ngaphakathi. So uyayikhethela ngaphandle ukuthi mawusase kuleya 6 months ukuthi ufuna ukuba yini. But kuya nangokuthi uthathwe yiphi arm of service futhi. Naloko yiko okuyieldayo towards i-faculty ongaya kuyona. Yabo leyo. Ngisho ngithi army ayisiyo i-fiction le niyibonayo. Kuyafundwa army. Kunabantu abama-specialist e-army. Kunabantu like abaphuma from nothing namhlanje bayinto abangakazi bayicabanga ukuthi bengaba yiyona through i-army. Yabo. So ayikho lento ukuthi ama-training kanjani as long as uwenza sure ukuthi awunazi izifo, because before ungene ngaphakathi ku-check izinto zezifo ama-fitness yabona kwenziwa ama-psychometric test zonke lezo zinto. Mawuphase zonke lezo zinto ungenazifo kakhulukazi nje izifo ezifana no-HIV. Yabo izona zifo because mawudeploy uya like weqa ibhoda kumele kube ukuthi umuntu
They need to know ama risks.
Exactly. Kumele ube ngokwase-army kumele ube u-G1 K1 kumele ube fit. Yabo, yeah. So yeah, army it's like that. So ilokhuzana Okay, ngicabanga ukuthi ngikuphendulile ngosiqhubeka.
Yes, but ubusunga eda nje.
Ngiyaqhubeka.
No wonder your angifuni ukulisho ngesingisi but ngifuna ukulisho ngendlela abantu baka TikTok abazolizwa kahle no wonder uhlakaniphile. Mangithi uhlakaniphile angisho lokhu ukuthi kuthiwe uhlakaniphile because ukwazi ukufunda incwadi ubhala uthola u80%. You are somebody who is intellectual yakho. I don't know, it's very deep. I've watched a lot of your videos and I've even asked myself ungakanani lo muntu okhulumayo but ke asingeke singayi lapha eminyakeni because ayibalekile kangako at this point in time. Kodwa I love the way you mentally challenge people when you are putting a point across. Hence a lot of people on TikTok, they usually misquote you. You see that on comment section abantu belwa kodwa uthi mawuthi uyazibuza lo muntu olwayo ulalelile ukuthi kuthiwani bayalwa, they listen to you. Academic usually say there are people who are emotional listeners. Ugarga research, it's very important to understand ukuthi umuntu melalela mekhuluma ukuthi uthini, what is the point that is pushing across. I've noticed ukuthi you have that. Now at this point in time uga correctional service. And one of your videos trended because you were unpacking what we see as public. Because remember, ukuthi thina as public kunezinto esizibonayo, kunezinto esingazazi, kunezinto esiziboniswayo and abasibonisa zona lezo zinto basibonisa lokho abafuna ukuthi sikubone. You trended for the video where you were talking about the life inside jail and a lot of people thought ukuthi you were critiquing ama podcast akhuluma nge-life in jail. They didn't get your point. Or 2 or 3 points that were very important or were highlighter in that video. You are also somebody ofundisayo, inspirisha abantwana. You always, the reason you do those videos because you want them. Don't go do crime because ziyahamba laphaya. Hayi kancane. So uma ungekho fit angeke ulungene uzophuma umoshakele. Tell me yini othemo uyibuka inside as umuntu osebenza ngaphakathi uyabona yonke lenhlobo yezigebengu enigadayo wathi uma usuka lapho wathi I have to do something about this because you are an activist. I believe ukuthi what you are doing is philanthropic work. What has inspired you ukuthi ake ukhulume and tell people about the realities of life ejele?
Okay, before ngizochaza wasejele ne ake ngiqale futhi ngiphinde ngithi background. Uthe mangikhuluma ngithi background. Kancane nje masizothi short left ku background. Ngikhuliswe umzalo oyi-activist.
Okay.
Yeah. Uma wami ubenga 80 inamba kule political party akade kuyona. Yabo. NgesiZulu sithi ubeyisishoshovu.
Yeah.
Yabo. Ngikhulele kwi political background whereby ama revolutionary meetings abebanjelwe ekhaya. Mhlambe kwesinye isikhathi siyahamba nabo nabantu be political party leyo yabo siya kwezinye indawo ngiyalalela zonke lezi zinto ngiyingane ngimncane yabo leyo nto leyo. So ukuba conscious nge-life in general, be it ngay politics or whatever, finances whatsoever, izinto lezi engisheshe ngaphaphama kuzona yabo from an early age. Ngina 9-10 years old. Some of the things engizikhuluma ku TikTok izinto engangikhuluma already back then. It's just that ngangenayo platform yokuthi ngikubeke yabo leyo nto leyo.
That's nice.
Yeah, so I'm one person ukuthi angiyena lo muntu siswami sengisebenze for more than nyaka wami 16 lo government if ngizohlanganisa ama service ami.
Okay.
Nyaka wami 16 lo ngisebenza ni. Sengibone likhulu. And sesibe quiet for far too long. Sivumela into eningi okungamele zize zisondele na kwi-society yethu zasondela. Namhlanje sikulolobishe sikulona as a country, as abantu bakulelizwe ngenxa yokuba negligent. Ngenxa yokungakwazi ukusukuma siface iqiniso sikhuluma okuyikona. Iqiniso alimnandi kodwa iqiniso liyaphilisa. And into emnandi ngeqiniso alinambala. Alishintshe. Even after 100 years liyohlezi liyiqiniso.
It's true.
So reason why ngi-end up ngenza le yanto engayenza, ngiyawabuka lama podcast engiye ngiwamention, and kungiphatha kabi ukuthi abafethu they thought ngithela inhlabathi kula ama podcast, whereas ngiyachaza ukuthi nami ngiyawathanda ngoba ngiyawalalela. Benge ngimosha idatha lami nesikhathi sami ngikhuluma into engingayazi, yabo leyo nto leyo. Yazi siswami, ukukhuluma kwami ngala ama podcast ngizokubuyisela emuva kancane. Kuyafana nabantu mhlawumbe ngizothini ngama late 90s early 2000s yizo mayifika ku scene la eSouth Africa. Mase ngikhulile manje ngimngaka ngiya understand message i-bomb production yayizama ukuyiletha ku society. I understand. But indlela ya interpreteka ngayo meanwhile beyiletha ku society yaba ne impact okwakungameli ibe nayo. Angazi noma ngibamba.
Yeah, I get you.
Yayibona le nto le. Nabafowethu laba abaphusha lento abayiphushayo, ayikho into errong into nabayenzayo. Kodwa iqiniso lisekuthenini lento abazama ukuyenza bethi bazama ukukhuza abafowethu ukuthi ejele kunje nje. Kuba buhlungu ngoba mangizobona umuntu eglorify izinto ngapha etheni ube umuntu ukuthi yena ube nje like thothi noma membe interview wani uyabona ukuthi kusase naleyo pride ebhedayo sister, yabona ebhedayo sister
baya apha
ipride ebhedayo and leyo pride leyo into anezincane ezikhula ngumzali, yabo. Ezinye zengane zami zisa high school already manje, yabo leyo nto leyo. So iziyibuka lezi zinto, yabo leyo nto leyo. Khuluma nengane endlini sekuphendula ngendlela yalabantu manje obezwa bekhuluma ngayo kulezi zinto. Yeah, understand. Angifuni ukuyikhuluma ngoba kuzase kuzothiwa futhi, yabo, but bayazi, yabo. So akumnandi ukubona, ngake ngaphatheka kabuhlungu siswami ngila elokushini ngibona izingane ezigqoke odikhizi zistempele izinto zasejele. I understand. Kubona iswag, yabo. Kimi osebenza ejele ngiyasho ukuthi akuyona iswag lento, because makungathiwa lephupho labo liyafezeka bayobona ukuthi kahle kahle kwasekuqaleni ayingekho lento. Siswami sengikhuluma mhlawumbe sengikhuluma okuningi, but angibuyele embuzweni ukuthi kungani ngigcine ngikhuluma. Kubuhlungu siswami ngoba ngiyayibona youth ejele. Ngiyayibona izinto ezenzakalele ezingane ezincane ejele. I understand. The very same kids lezi ezithi maziphuma ejele ziphinde zizopaint ipicture yamanga ngaphandle. I understand. Ejele azange bangenzela lutho, mina kuyakhethiswa lapha uvela ulalwe besister kusetshenzwa ngama draft ejele. Let's say uboshele kule jele leli lalayo, mhlambe 6 months later bafuna ukureshafula ibosho kuba ne draft, bakuthatha bekulahlela kwelisempangeni. Kususe kwesempangeni after a year later uyophoswa mhlambe kwelise Eastern Cape. Wena wonke lamajele mawufika kuona uyakhethiswa. No, like uyakhethiswa ukuthi sikushaye noma ngiyabuza ngokwenkulumo zabo laba abayikhulumayo lezi zinto. Angithi basho njalo kwi public mabedayisa le message yabo
ukuthi kulama group uyazikhethela
ukuthi uyangalapha. Makulo kushawa ama draft kanje wonke indawo la ufika khona wena ufika ukhethiswa ukhethe iside elisafe kungenzeki lutho ku.
I don't think so. I don't think so, but I don't know. Is it like that?
Ngiyabuza, no, mina ngibuza uyi-adult mawunga. Ngibuza lo ukuthi mawukuthi leko kuyiqiniso.
Mina ngiyengizwe kuthiwa ejele bowufika nje ziyakujabulela iboshwe inyama fresh, whether ubukwelinye or ubuphuma ngaphandle nje but usuke inyama fresh.
Asben honest, ne? Ngayikhuluma lento nakuleya video. Sister, majority yethu ku black society, ne? Mina nawe njengamanje ngaba ukuthi sigezile sababahle, ne? Majority yethu siphuma kuma backgrounds apho.
Yeah, that's true.
Siphuma emakhaya ahluphekayo. Siphuma kuma community ahluphekayo. I understand. Siphuma kuma dysfunctional families whereby i-support ayikho, uthando alukho, i-warmth ayikho. Ngisho kungathi ufile lapha. Abanye kweminye imindeni ngaqhutshwa seqhutshwa ama family members thiwa nanga umuntu akinambani phela nowenza iplan. Sebezwile ukuthi ufile. Asibeni factual. Lezi zinto siportray kuma TikTok abanye bethu laba abaportray ama family cause khona cause wangempela. But abafowethu makuthiwa sesikhuluma iqiniso zabantu abadala masiyawazi ama family dynamics. Yeah, I understand. Makuthiwa uyaboshwa bangakho abantu abangakuvakashela for 5 years consecutive straight kanje. Bengamisi weekend.
Very few.
and bespenda kuwo.
Very few people who have got that kind of families abasemajele.
Exactly my point. Yabo. So uphuma ekhaya ehluphekayo, awunayo support structure noma support system behind you and uyongena kwi-Lions Den. Kwi-Lions Den into ezokusave bazokutshela imali yona esebenzayo ejele.
Sure.
Yabona uma ungena visit ejele sister. Or i-visit unayo kodwa kuyi-visit nje ehluphekayo. Enga-edi vele etheni ezokuthengela into ebheda. Sister lapha nina understand. Ejele uphila ngokuthi unani. And ongenalutho uyakufila ukuthi akanalutho.
Sure.
Yayibona le nto le.
Sekufanele yonke into ozoyicela noma ozoyibenefita lapha ya kufanele mawuyibenefite ngoba wenze u1 no2.
Into esiboshwe yakhuluma. Ngisho i-loose draw yakhuluma.
Kunzima boss.
Yakhuluma into esiboshwe bazokutshela into esiboshwe yakhuluma.
Sure.
Yabo. So angithandi makulokudayiswa le narrative wrong kakhulukazi kwi-youth. Yabo. Nami ngeke ngaba ngangalabafana ngithi ngababona begqoka ama-dickies bewenza lezi zinto. Like I feel like kwi-society sister idingeka ama-grootman amaningi nama-sister amaningi azokhuluma iqiniso kwi-society. Ukuthi i-society yalithanda noma ilithandi lelo qiniso. Mina ukuthi I'm one person comfortable nokungathandwa. Hayi mina sister ngicrane noma kuthiwa ngithandwa mina. As long as ngizongathandelwa iqiniso, ayifanayo. Hayi. So yabona most yabantwana abakhulayo whether abafana noma amantombazane bakhulela emakhaya dysfunctional na broken. Thola ukuthi mhlawumbe abazali abekho or oyedwa abazali abekho or futhi mhlawumbe ukhuliswa isihlobo nasesingenalo nothando esiphoqelekile ukuthi simkhulise ngoba asina choice. Ya understand. Lo muntu akalazi uthando akayazi imfudumalo. Ya understand. Akakwazi ukunakekelwa. Lo muntu ezinye zenkulumo zamanye ikhuluma zomeqo.
Yeah, that's very true.
I understand.
That's very true because zishaya straight to the point lapha ya kule ndawo le abaningi bethu or abaningi abezemva kwethu abashodayo vele kuyona.
Yabo. So uqedela kulombuzo ubuzile sister ukuthi why ngicine ngikhuluma. Sister ngibona youth eningi phambi kwami, not only youth abanye bangangama abanye badala kunami. Abanye bengangizala futhi. Bona abantu abaningi mina omunye mhlambe bathi beyoganga kule cala lamfahlakisa mhlambe babedutshuliwe bullet ngena mhlambe alimaza ukuthile emzimbeni yastark okunye like usejele number 1 unama wounds afana nalawo udinga treatment understand and it's not like une access njengomuntu ongaphandle ngathi umuntu ongaphandle naye ku difficult for yena sengikhuluma ngeordinary citizen sister elingena medical aid elingena lutho. I understand umuntu like more than half we society akule country lo phila below poverty line sister. I understand like hey kubhlungu ukubona izingane zidlwengulo.
That's a
I understand.
one, yeah.
Zadlwengulo. Ungakubona kuzenza into ezithafu la sekubuye ejele kubhala ama-tattoo la sister. Ungakubona kuzenza lezi zinto lezi sister mina ngizokutshela lento. Nazi igebengu ngifisa ukuthi ngathi futhi zoyibuka le podcast. Yeah, zoyibuka. Yabona sister into engingathanda ukuthi niyazi ngeboshwa kuqala ni public. Nangejele nje. Mangikhuza abantu mina ngale space engisebenza kusona engisibonayo ngamehlo. Like on a daily basis. So ngibakhuza sister ngenxa ukuthi number 1 ama living conditions akule yandawo asiyeke mhlambe lokuthochara lokuhluphana bebodwa abafethu sikhulume nje ngelo ngama buildings ukuthi maintenance yakhona injani like condition econducive na yokuphila abantu yabo le nto le first and foremost ngizokutshela akusindawo egrand for ukuhlala kwabantu sister. Awukwazi ukuvalelana nabantu more than 30 erumini elilodwa elinetoilet elilodwa elineshower eyodwa. Makuthiwa niphethwe isisi ebusuku la kwenzakalani? I understand.
Singakuphethe nje sisi toilet elilodwa for different people.
Uyayibona le nto le.
Yo.
And mawuthi uyabheka ngapha mhlambe wena uyinono into zakho uhlala uyiqoqile. Umakhelwane wakho uyinuku uvele enze izinto budlapha la kumele ubeke like kuningi yabo but nje ama living conditions ngathi izinto ze state ama entities ze state ehluleka ukumaintain engelona ijele la ngaphandle collapsayo day
How
in
much
day
more
out
ngala?
how much more lezi lamajele akhiwa more than 60-100 years ago amanye you understand ama living conditions nje eyodwa sister awekho grand you understand kwamanye amajele mhlambe uyothola mhlambe nezinto zasekitchen abayisebenzisayo for ukupheka azikho kwasesimeni esisebenzayo kuya improvise you understand and thina siyazi mfethu ku government simsebenzayo
And bahlezi betha overcrowded.
Overcrowded yes but okubuye kungiphathe kabi I could be wrong kulento engingayisho manje but into engiphatha kabi ngokuba overcrowded kwamajela la eSouth Africa ukuthi igcwele abantu bangaphandle yani yeah we do have a fair number yabantu bala ekhaya ababoshiwe but majority abantu ababoshiwe akusiyaba la ekhaya
Same way as majority of abantu abafike nezinhlobonhlobo zama crimes kuma drugs ukushushumbiswa kwabantu kufike nabo futhi.
Ay leyo debatable mntama angithandi ukuthi inkinga thina sabantu sithanda ukubuka izinto ku face value ingakho nabantu abaningi abangibona kule platform ngibonile ukuthi iningi labantu lengiphendula ngeknowledge yaka SABC noma yaka DSTV abadigi deep to izinto angithandi ukuyiphosa lapha ithawula ngithi into zoma human trafficking and whatsoever size nalabantu no kunabantu ababavumela ukuthi labantu ba practice zonke lezi zinto la and labo bantu ba benefit from whatever crime
myself that question yes
from whatever crimes ayenzakalayo la into eyaziwayo even ama office nasiphethe I understand that see country sonke
and usakhuluma ngalo yonto nje kukhona manje nje ezisematheni ukhetha impanza and everybody abantu abaningi bebengamazi who he is until this happened and when it happens solo ke sibabaze njalo and you are asking yourself ukuthi such a powerful person a high profile person ngemali yakho yentela njalo ka government lo muntu imoto zakhe ezaka kwenzakala yo yazini
yabona sister
ay
asibeni honest ne njengoba ngize la kule podcast angizanga as lo yamsebenzi ngize as a law abiding citizen cabanga ukuthi I'm free ukuthi ngikhuluma into esenhlizweni
yes that's why I did that disclaimer
yes mntama masithinda lapho ne I think from after 1994 isuke lapha inkinga enhle not 94 inkinga enkulu yaqala ngoMarch noma ngoApril wango 1993 yabonga inkathi kubulawa lo baba kwakumele aba president after uNelson Mandela kumele siyikhulume lento guys yabona i-youth yala eSouth Africa kanye nama citizen in general ngicela bear with me ungilalele lento engizoyisho ne i-youth nama citizen akule country I think sikhohliswe kakhulu and sakuvumela ukukhohliswa because ukukhohliseka kwethu okukhulu kuqale kuphi kuqale masizotshelwa ukuthi umfundo ohlakaniphile umfundo wenza imaths nescience
yeah ne
that's a complete lie amanga hlaza lawo makuzothiwa isiqenqo umuntu owenza imaths and science that's a complete lie abantu abenza imaths and science abantu abahlenga impilo zethu abantu abakwa Department of Health in any like ngabe World Health benthi ni World Health Organization
scientists medical biologists
whatever space esikhona kwa health yabona umuntu we-maths and science he or she is good kuleso space we are excel lapho you understand umuntu aka commerce leyo umuntu wama finances isona siqenqe kumele kube uyena umuntu osibalancesela i-economy kwi-country you understand and speciality sakhe ileso akekho less smarter than lo waka maths and physics you understand umsebenzi wakhe yini ukubheka ama currencies aleso sizwe akusona Then owaka history sasubiza ngogeneral masisakhula.
Yes.
Labantu baka
Babizwa ngeidomo kuthiwa hayi wa history ka general science isho ukuthi awazi lutho.
exactly ukuthi ngikuchaze.
Ufundela ukuyoba i-actor nokupheka.
Salinyazwa lapho sabrainwashwa lapho mntama ngoba laba bakwa history umsebenzi wabo ibona abaka judicial, ibona abasethi imithetho, ibona abarun iconstitution yeCountry. Zonke lezi izifundo zo3 zibaleke ngendlela efanayo. Asikho esibaleke okudlula esinye. Uzubona ukuthi ngiright kulento engisho mntama. Fine, sinabo abantu abafunda imaths and science siyababona. Bayasirana leso space ne. But yini abayenzayo eshintshayo ezweni njengoba namhlanje izwe linje. Bahlele emalebhu benza bakwenzayo, bayidlela imali ngendlela bayidlela ngayo, impilo zabo zi right, ba comfortable abanandaba nokwenzakala emhlabeni. You understand? Lezi zaka commerce kaningi yizo lezo ozoyithola kuma tender futhi. Ama-tenderpreneurs. No nama drug what yizo lezi zaka commerce zishayelwe emalini yabo. But bakhona nabakwa imali ithandwe yonke umuntu, all know that. But kwa history bathi ngizoyibeka kanjani lento, ba depoliticize youth noma ination yala eSouth Africa mabesenza sicabanga ukuthi umuntu waka physics uhlakaniphile kunomuntu waka general. Babulala i-black consciousness leyayitshalwe uMangaliso Robert Sobukwe kanye noBantu Stephen Biko enhlizweni zabantu abamnyama. You understand? Labe khona mabekuthiwa basibona, I'm sure bakhala izimathonsi besemathuneni. Ayikho into ekuthiwa i-black consciousness in today's time. Siswami. You understand? Noma ukhuluma ngaleyo nto kwabanye abantu.
Yahamba nabo nje bafanayo.
Noma ukhuluma ngayo leyo nto kwabanye abantu it's like iyabeqa bazi nokuthi ukhuluma ngayo.
Iba bafanayo bahamba nayo.
Ngisuke lapho kube i-political consciousness. Singaloke yonke iblame siyibeka kwi-youth. I-nation yonke ama-citizens wonke la kwi-country. I-political consciousness asinayo at all.
Ayikho.
Kuzoba i-patriotism. Patriotism mntama asinayo futhi. Asisekho patriotic ngokuba ama-South Africans. Simane siyasho nje ukuthi proudly South African, but asisekho njalo.
Who do we blame for that mawucabanga?
Mina,
your views.
In my view ne. Uzongixolela ke nawe uyangena kule squad engizosiblame. Ungilalele mntama. Yabona mawuzo understand the past yala eSouth Africa. La siphila khona. Into enkulu eyasibuyisela emuva njengoba namhlanje sisasemuva izisizwe simnyama. Inkinga enkulu. Angifuni ukubuyela ko1652 ko Jan van Riebeeck. Into endala le engafuni ukuyibuyela ekudeni. Asibuyela ngo1948. The beginning of apartheid, racist oppression. You understand? Iqale ngo1948 yaphela ngo1994. Sister, yabona mina ngizalwa abantu bama-40s. Yeah, both abazali bama bama-40s. Yabo kule gang ezalwa ama-40s, 50s, early 60s. Ngizwa early 60s. Leyo gang ezalwa yilabo bantu ne. Noma labo bantu labo bakuleso space labo leyo generation nje leyo eyayiphila kuleso space kunzima ukuyigxeka ne, because yayintsha lento abashayeka ngayo. You understand? Yayintsha lento ababekhungatheke kuyona. Yabo leyo nto le ngizothanda futhi ukuthi le gang yama early 60s or le yama late 50s ungilalele kahle. Le yama early 60s nale yama late 50s ngizothanda ukuthi leyo ngithanda ukuyiphi credit of some sort ngoba sino youth day namhlanje because of them. Sinama wonke lama holiday ngawabala namhlanje as a nation because of ama sacrifices enziwa yilabo bantu. I understand they stood for something in order for mina na ukuthi namhlanje sihlale kanje. You understand? Igenge lengishayela izandla ile yama late 50s nama early mid 60s. Yabo? Igenge enginekwali nayo uyangena kuyona. Yabo le genge yama I would say le genge yama late 60s.
Ama beneficiaries.
Genge yama mid late 60s ne 70s nginekwalembi nani generation yeni sister why nginekwali nani why nginenkinga nani inkinga yami iqala ekuthenini ngo1994 nge27 April
Yeah.
umuntu wayezalwe ngo1970 for instance
Yeah.
wayena 24 years mayiqala i-transaction political transaction leyayenza ngo1994 before futhi 1994 1993 makuzobulawa ubaba uChris Thembisile yani makuzobulawa lelo time nina yikho into enayenza nasonga izandla ngoba nanibheke ukuthi nizobenefita koma BEE laba namhlanje sebesifake kulolu bishi sikulona
ingakho ngithi ama beneficiaries.
so i-generation yenu i-generation okuyiyona yadayisizwe to the lowest bidder ngoba inina bokuqala enakwazi ukulala nabantu bangaphandle abangafikanga ngokomthetho la nabazalela izingane lezo ingane namhlanje ilingana nathi masikhuluma ngokusobala ukuthi ama illegal immigrants ayasilimaza emphakathini esiphuma kuyona silwisa izingane zenu kuqala.
Hey, that's true.
You understand?
Yeah,
Nadayisizwe to the lowest bidder nina. Ayizwa le nto le. Amajita akhona ama-70s nama-late 60s. Most yangena kuma-arm of services, abanye bangena kuma-companies ako-government, abanye bangena kuma-tender, abanye bangena kuphi. Understand? Abantu bajabulela ukuthi mina ngoba ngiyahlafuna. I-patriotism yaqala ukulahlwa yinina kulelizwe.
But ke Nkomonde labantu obablameayo, okay, I hear you. I hear your points. Asibuze lo mbuzo ukuthi labantu esikhala ngabo othi sebelingana nathi salala nabantu bokufika sathola lezi zingane ezisilwisayo today. Bangene kanjani? Mina nginenkinga ukuthi ama-border, what happened to our borders? Because when you are looking at our borders prior 1994, the rules were so strict. You will never just uthwabaze nje just because when usuke eSwazini uhamba ngeenyawo monqamuka usuke eSwazini uze South Africa, just because usuke eZimu you could literally unqamule ngeenyawo, just because usuke eBotswana. What happened to the borders after 1994? Yini le uMandela ayitshela abaphathi bama-borders ukuthi akukhululekwe so much such that kunomuntu okwazi ukuhlala in this country kuphela u5 3 10 years azazalise abe nefamily ebe illegal afika illegal and is benefiting to all the services that you and I pay for as a taxpayer?
Hey sister ngizoqala ngithini ukubulawa kwama-border kwaqala ngokuthi ake ngiqale la lempendulo abantu abamnyama kulelizwe mabezothola umbuso ngo1994 babe hungry for umbuso kodwa babengekho ready for ukuthatha umbuso babengekho well mentored or structured ukuthi ipower eyani isetshenziswa kanjani.
Yep.
I understand.
Yeah.
Yet that's why namhla siyithola position lesikuyo sister kuma arms of services number 1 ama-border abhekwa abantu base home affairs immigration abhekwa amasotsha abhekwa amaphoyisa yabo ama-arms of services are different. Ngizoqala ngokuthi ama-arms of services akule country this is my personal view.
Yeah.
Are understaffed wonke and according to indlela engibuka ngayo it's intentional. Are understaffed ngisho ngayakiphi arm of service are understaffed ama-arms of services. I-manpower yikho yayizwa lento and yinto eyenziwe ngamabomu leyo. Number 2 are under-resourced. Yet si-country claim ukuthi si-wealthy and whatsoever. Are under-resourced wonke ama-arms of services. Ingako uma uzofika kuma-government sectors uzofuna usizo awusizakali kalula esikhathini esiningi. Yayibona leyo nto.
Kuba yimbi.
Exactly. Yayibona leyo nto leyo. I feel like kunabantu noma ngeke ngibazi ngamagama but ngomuntu before ngizoyikhuluma lento othi ngicacise lento ngomuntu othanda ama-documentary. Yeah, like for since ngisaka high school like ngomuntu kwama-documentaries.
Angithi le ngqondo yakhe eningi.
Yabo. So uma umuntu ama-documentaries, we understand uba interested kuma-documentaries are different. Yabo leyo nto le. Ngazi izinto ngama-documentary ahlukene, but kula ngiyakhona ngifuna ukuchaza ngama-narcos. Bizwa kanjalo ngesicolombian. Kahle ama-drug cartels. Yabo leyo nto le. Yeah, sister, kwi-question yokuthi why amabhodi kanje. Kunabantu singabazi abanye singangabazi abayiphathimandla kwi-country. Benza noma yini okusemandleni abo ukuthi bathole whatever abafuna ukuyibenefit. I understand. And i-level ye-greediness abanayo ithusa uSathane. I understand.
Futhi noSathane yazi usebadelile. I'm sorry noSathane usebadelile because uma ubuka indlela izinto ezenzeka ngayo, because you remember I asked you earlier ukuthi lamabhoda azoze abe nje manje ekade ngekho nje ya prior 1994. Yazi just a simple country nje. Abantu bakhona bagcwele eshiqela eSouth Africa and babalele ezintweni ezishaqisayo abazenzayo Nigerians. Awuzama ukuya eNigeria just 1 week.
Ngiyakulonga.
1 week nje uapply i-visa yokuya eNigeria 1 week.
Not even in Nigeria. Khona la komzali eZimbabwe.
But kulula ukuphuma bengena bona la and kuphuma bengena laba ba illegal because asikwazi ukubabopha ngepande li1 bonke ngoba bakhona abafike kahle, bange bayafunda, bange bayasebenza, ba right, ba documented, ba legal, bakhokha intela njengami nawe. But why is it, and it goes back to lento aduyisho ukuthi vele egcineni kosuku kunama drug cartels. And khona into owayimenshina kule story ska Kate esitrendayo wamenshina ngicela ubachazela abantu because I know abaningi they still asking themselves ukuthi uma ukhuluma ngeoligarch, what is an oligarch? And why do you say ukuthi uKate is belonging under that group? Because at the end of the day omunye umbuzo enginawo, I don't know noma unempendulo, we can just make it a conversation ukuthi umuntu that is so highly powerful and highly connected and so wealthy uzobanjwa njengento mesibuka lento ayibanjelwe as compared to what he's done before.
Umbuzo wakho before ngophendula wakhe ngizoqhubeka ngalo wakuma-board. Sister, whatever le flocking esibonayo kuma-board, it's intentional. Kunabantu ababenefitayo.
Hey ungasho
at
uqinisa.
our expense.
Basimoshile.
Asiyekuloko sugarcoat izinto ne. Ama-companies amanye alandela abantu for i-cheap labor so that bezobenefit imali eningi. Bayazi ukuthi lama salaries abawanika labantu ama-South Africans angeke bawavuma.
That's true.
I understand leyo nto leyo, so they'll rather go for i-cheap labor le abayitholayo. And leyo cheap labor ibuye yenze njani? Izolimaza thina. Because uma umxosha leya muntu osebenzela wena lapha kusasa uzoma engasasebenzi bese ezosebenza kuba uzosebenza ngami. Yayibona leyo nto leyo. Kufana nalento yamazamazama sister. Bayalandwa labafowethu kumazwe wabo. Bazosetshenziswa kulama illegal mines. Ngoba
ngeke uvele usuku uzomba igolide nje uzolithatha ulishonise ipmoke.
Wazi ngani nanokuthi likuphi kuqala. Kunama South Africans angakaze ayibona nemayini. I understand.
Ne?
So asikhuluma iqiniso. Asiye ukusugarcoat izinto. Mina ngumuntu olandela ama-Grootman afana no Moses Khakhane. Ngazi noma uyamazi. Abantu abafana no Prince Mashele. I understand. Ama-Grootman engicabanga ukuthi aligned nomqondo wami lawo. I understand. Bazokutshela yonke lento eyenzakalayo kule country amabomu. Number 1 ilokhuzana ukuthi ama-arms of services abe weak kanje into yamabomu le sister. I understand. I-safety ye country singayiqeda within a minute makungathiwa siyimisele. Yazi ngani na?
Yeah.
Makungathiwa bonke labantu abanama qualifications abahlele emakhaya bangasebenzi njengoba ngithela ama-arm of services anawo wonke lama qualifications.
Yeah.
Bangathiwa bonke labo bantu bayathathwa bafakwa kuma-arms of services ahlukene. Wonke le genge no matric engazange ikwazi ukuqhubeka nezifundo zayo phambili iyathathwa iyofakwa kuma-arm of services ngokuhlukene. Abantu banikwa i-chance lokuyikhulisa bayifundise khona ngaphakathi. Ukubani besino government osithandayo. Number 1 lento nje yodwa engiqeda ukuyimenshina le yalabantu ukuthi makungaqashwa wonke ama-graduate nani. Leyo nto alone inga-eradicate poverty.
Kakhulu.
Kabuhlungu kabi. Yeah, I understand. Number 2, emva kokususa ipoverty ibenefita futhi the very same society ngani nge-safety. You understand? Nge-safety. You understand? Emva kwalapho sister ngeke ngaphatheka kabuhlungu ngilalele nje ama-podcast la nginokwabo. Ngizwa kulokukhishwa ama-states ukuthi there's this certain percentage ye-youth unemployed. Amanga leyo nto. Ubani oyibalayo leyo nto?
I usually say the numbers are more than what they are even telling us.
10 times more than.
They are more than what they are telling us.
Amanga sister, amanga. Yazi mina siswami enye into ezongenza ukuthi ngingafuni ukuvala umlomo. Siswami njengoba ngilongihlezi ngiyipreacha lento. Ngiphuma kwi-society poor and ngikhulele kwi-background poor, right? Noma athiwa mina ngiyakwazi ukuyibekela ukudla etafuleni nezingane zami ziyadla ngami, yabo? Le ngane ephila ngaphakathi kumina engangiyibona iswele into ezithile growing up ayikakafi emphakathini isaphila. Mina ngingaba grand mhlambe ngikwazi ukuyifunza ngikwazi ukwenzani but angikhohliwe ukuthi ngake ngabuya kusiphi isimo. Manje sabantu abamnyama we tend to forget leyo nto ukuthi nami ngake ngaba kulesa simo. Yabo leyo nto le. Sister ibhlungu denzeka kulelizwe ngoba mawukhuluma openly uzosatshiswa ngokubulawa noma uzosatshiswa ngokuqedwela umsebenzi. Into engihlale ngisho mina ukuthi ekugcineni akekho umuntu oyophuma la emhlabeni ephila. When it's all said and done. Ngoba endenye into iqinisa usozo ulibulale. Alifi. Ungambulala umkhulumi walo lona alifi.
Uzohlala limile nje.
I understand le. So ama-South Africans mayenga-understand ukuthi lokuthula esesikuthulile for far too long akusisi ndawo. Lokuba humble, lokuba ignorant akusisi ndawo. Iy'ngane zethu siyekelela ukuthi ziyongena emgodini oyisichitho. Yabona i-history ayinawo ama-blank pages siswami. When it's all said and done, mina nginokubelieve ukuthi la emhlabeni ne mawuphuma kwisibeletho sikama wakho ufumbathile so kunento oyifumbethe mntama. And efumbethwe wena ayifani nefumbethwe yimina.
Yeah.
I understand. Abanye abantu bacabanga ukuthi njengoba mhlambe ngisebenza la ngisebenza khona mhlambe impilo yami structured and iphelela nedda. No. Yabo? Nginabantu engimingila nabo like angisilo umuntu osebenza nabantu ohlala nabantu asebenza nabo ogroova nabantu asebenza nabo. No. Espanini masishayisile ngiyami indlela nabantu bami. Yabo le nto leyo ngizama ukconnecta nabanye abantu. Ingakho nelanguage engiyikhuluma ngisho ngangifakela iphi topic ngiyakwazi ukungena kuyona because ngikhuluma nabantu ngisocialize nabantu abahlukene. Abantu eSouth Africa ngifisa ukuthi ngazathi bengaba open minded. I understand. Beyeke nanokulalela izinto ngenhliziyo. Belalela izinto.
Ngakhohlwa njalo ukusichazela about the all we want to know. People want to know.
I-oligarchy it's a group of a few yama elites in that specific country. Aba owner and aba benefiter from ama state resources by force or illegally. Yeah, I understand. Uke wathi General Mkhwanazi kwenye le commission wathi kunabantu abafuna ukuthatha umbuso. Abafuna ukuthatha umbuso ngeballot paper, abafuna ukuthatha through ama criminal activities.
Ayiqinisile or mina ngokwami ngicabanga sorry ukuphazamisa ngokwami ngicabanga ukuthi already bawuphethe. Continue. Yes.
Yeah. Ama oligarchy abantu abanjalo like ilabantu they will stop at nothing ukuthi ba attain whatever abayifunayo. Yabo ukuthi at whose expense they don't care.
Sure.
Yeah, I understand. Who dies, who's like they like as long as born and ilabantu abaphila lempilo esithi masibuka kulama social media sifise. Bona umuntu ekuyathi ekweyakhe. Angisho laba abayi content abahamba beyofake impilo lapha ngikhuluma ngomuntu like yeah. Like banama luxurious apartment, banezindlu ezama mansion, banama standalone house at go Joburg North, go Camps Bay, like the richest suburbs ongawacabanga. Yabo le nto le ile syndicate sister ama oligarchs ile syndicate okuyiyona wonke ama illicit activities enzeka kuleyo country. banesandla but ba-invisible ababonakali. Banamasosha abagijima on the ground.
That's how connected and powerful they are.
Yabona waze wezwa kuthiwa umuntu unendlu ecosta ama-million nje insane. Wazathi umuntu unendlu angifuni ukubiza lama price niyawazi ama price abizwayo
Yeah.
njengoba kulokukhulunywa kuthiwa usibantwana banezindlu ezithile
And labantu yibo labo esibasiphethe.
bese kuthiwani and ama oligarchs izinto ahlakaniphe ngayo yini izinto azibisemagameni abo. The rest assured yonke into esegameni lakhe as it stands ile yena befuna ucabanga ukuthi izona zinto anazo.
Hey, Lord.
Kunezinto anazo. Not only him like and for me ne understand lezi zinto mhlambe kangcono than an average person because abantu abaningi abanayo interest kulama documentaries asiwabukayo. I don't think ukuthi uphezulu kwi structure sama oligarch umjidi I think bekwazi ukuthi makumele kwenziwe i-dirty job. Yeah, he's the one on ama-goons. I understand. Ngokolimi lama-cartel bathi ama-sicarios, killers. Yeah. Iy'nkabi ngesiZulu. So, ukhethe asingaqamba manga umjidi abafethu uzwile u-National Commissioner ethi kune-inform yamtshela ukuthi une-deputy angayazi within i-SAPS and leyo deputy call ama-shots. It's just that yena akazi and leyo deputy kwakuwukhethe Madlala. Awufiki kuleya level sister ye-power by mistake. I understand. Mawuzoba kuleya level ye-power ukuthi ukwazi ukucontrol ukwazi izinto ezingaziwa i-information eclassified ekumele yaziwa ama-general.
But when
I understand a low ranking member or an average ranking member yakwi force engenayo access yayo but when unayo leyo information ikutshela ndiyona ukwazi ukushaya ama calls uforce abantu abaphethe ama department ukuthi abadisbandini i-task team because isikufakela ukushisa.
Siphili
I understand.
Thina siphili siyaphefumula nje kuphela siyavuka siyahamba.
Abantu abayiboni lento like izwe and mase kuvela laba bala eSouth Africa nayo ke la ifika inchaze khona lento. I-cartel sister ayibi yodwa ezweni. Abamaningi. Kune rivalry ebakhona between ama-cartel. Ayibi yodwa i-cartel. And ngokwala eSouth Africa kukhona le cartel esivelile. And trust me inayo rivalry yakhona. Kusase nama-cartel awamanye ama-sectors ngokuhlukana and mawuthi uyabheka mhlawumbe ukuthi ubani obaphethe ekugcineni yonke le mali circulate ibuya kwinkosi yama-oligarch phezulu. Amasotsha azosishaya ispan a-capture yonke i-system then yonke into yalapha phezulu and futhi i-generous general ama-oligarch trust me bayithenga loyalty nothando laba bantu wenza sure ukuthi isosha lakhe ligijima estradini li-sorted njengoba uvusi like uyabona umjidi umnandi umnandi unenyuki yonke ongayicabanga
ongayicabanga
I
yazini.
understand so
Ngibuka umswengo obedonsa imaketangu lapha ngibuka umswengo
incane kakhulu lento sister is really worth nakhona I'm sure ziningi izinto ayifihlile it's just that ngoba ngisho ngithi akusegameni lakhe lokumina ngokucabanga kwami izinto yena abe anento yokuthi makungathiwa ngiyabanjwa at least nawe ngingabakhomisayo yabo but i-worth yakhe it's around 100 and 150 million rand. I think it's way above that. It's just that phela ke
yiloko abakwaziyo
futhi
okudocumented.
nakhona hayi lamjita lo yani worth a lot more than that but kwi-game of-oligarch akekho phezulu akekho and kusase nabapheki kwakhe banabapheki wabo like i-structure esinye lesa sistero ngeke uzi-understand mawungenayo interest yokulandelela ama-drug cartels ngeke uzazi lezi.
So you think ukuthi uma egcina egwetshwa kwenzeka ukuthi kugcine agwetshwe ngoba already seboshiwe nje ebanjiwe njengamanje silinde isigwebo or silinde ukuthi kungene icala uzokhoza i-havoc inside.
I don't think yiphi commission yaba khona phambi kwakhe yaba nabantu ababoshiwe abaku-high level in your lifetime.
what a question.
Because
Let me think.
the first commission esaba nayo as a nation kwakuyi-Truth and
Truth and
Reconciliation
yes.
Commission. From lapho qala from lapho uze ngapho ungitshela ukuthi imaphi ama-convictions
Ahlala nje aphuma ahlala aphuma ozondo kwakuningi kodwa sikaze siwabone ngempela abantu bakhona begcina beboshwa.
Okay.
That's very true.
So yini ezoba yintsha manje?
Sure. Yeah.
Ngiyayithanda into enziwa ubhuti uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Nkwali inkosi ngiyithanda inhliziyo yami yonke. Yabo ngiyayithanda into ayenzayo. Yabo makuthiwa a true definition of a man.
Eyalimela iqiniso lamuntu. Yeah.
And kwi-society kumele sibe inspired by amadoda afana noNhlanhla
Eyalimela
Mkhwanazi.
iqiniso.
You understand? Amadoda angancengi ukuthandwa. You understand? Kumele uyibuze le nto system. If iphoyise lo general ukuthi kubhlungu lento because for ama civilian awangi-understand. That's why mangikhuluma ziyabashiya izinto. But ngifuna ukuyichaza in simple terms lento. If i-officer elikuleya rank phela u-lieutenant general the only man a reporter kuyona u-general straight. You understand? Okumasimula wasesebs ne yakukhombisa ukuthi ukuphi ku-department lomuntu i-notch yakhe. You understand? Uku-millionaire status lo muntu ama-privilege anawo and whatsoever. You understand? Comfortable lo muntu financially. If i-officer elikulesa status he's willing ukuthi aforfeite yonke into anayo for ukumela nokudefenda izwe lakhe. Thina abanye sisebenza eminye imisebenzi uzosaba ukulimela iqiniso ngoba usaba ukuthi uzoxoshwa emsebenzini. Yiphi into esicapture ngalo ukuthi uvala ukuthi ungakhulumi
Uzophelelwa umsebenzi ya.
uzophelelwa umsebenzi.
Threat.
You understand?
Yeah.
Mina into engihlale ngisho nayo mntamane. Mina ayikho into engakayiluze empilweni yami. Nengisayoyiluza eyayidalela ukuthi kube yami. Ayikho into engathini? Ayikho into eyake yangilahlekela engingathi mangihleli namhlanje ngidabuka enhlizweni. Whether i-material, imali, umuntu ophilayo like ayikho into eyake yalahleka empilweni yami kwakumele kube yami.
I hear you. Yeah.
Konke kwakumele kube okwami kusasekhona. So namanje injalo. Yabo. Ngesihlale singalikhuluma iqiniso. Wazothi hawu ngangona ngokuthi ngivele ngeuniform online. So manje yonke into engizoyikhuluma sethi ngilo abiding citizen. Ngumuntu ngiyayikhumula le yanto ngiyaphila nabantu estradini ngiyaphila nabantu wherever nginomndeni and everything.
Behind the uniform there's a human being. Yes.
Yabo lento inkinga abantu ngazi noma ngizothi ba stereotype noma kanjani. Yabo le nto le. And ama thoughts ne awapheleli ngathina awabracketiwe ukuthi ngisebenza. You know? Ngomuntu I think ngingahlala nawo wonke umuntu ngiconversate nanoma nguphi umuntu. At any level futhi yabo le nto le. Ngoba I think uma umuntu ingqondo yakho kumele utshale knowledge.
Yeah.
Utshale ne-wisdom. And above yonke into lento engithanda ukuyisho confidence. Yabo le nto le. Mawusayibukela phansi kunzima nokuthi ungashintsha ikhaya lakho noma ungashintsha umndeni wakho. Mawusayibukela phansi. So kubalekile ukuthi abantu abamnyama babuyele kuyithandeni mansizwa. Abantu ababuka bukana ama documentary o Malcolm X man, o Marcus Garvey, o Muhammad Ali. Yeah, onkwame Nkrumah, Jomo Kenyatta like kule era siphila kuyona. Abantu banama smartphone, banama unlimited wifi, kugcwele ama blue movies efonini. Like ayikho into eyenzakalayo. I understand. Ifoni igcwele ama blue movies nama page o Hollywood no Betway umholo nokuphela umuntu esanda ukuhola ngenxa yokugembula like ibhlungu impilo ephilwa namhlanje. Abantu abathatha isikhathi ne.
Yeah ne.
Abantu abathatha isikhathi
Singena nokucabanga there's AI.
Exactly. Yabo lento abantu bayanqena ukufunda. Thatha nje incwadi library ufunde. Yabo lento abantu bayanqena ukubuka ama documentary umuntu ufuna inamba. Umuntu ufuna yabo into ezingasili into ezifiction ezinye ezingafundisi lutho. Yabo ingawo ngisho ngithi patriotism, political consciousness kanye ne black consciousness yafa ngenxa ukuthi is entertaining into ezi wrong. Yabo.
Kodwa ngokubuka kwakho isimo nje like emajele at this point in time siyibiza nge-correctional services, are they really correcting isimo or batela kuthiwani uthela upetrol emlilweni? Hearing izinto ezenzeka ngaphakathi okune-high possibility ukuthi umuntu mekaphume e-more damage than when he went in.
Kuyiqiniso.
Are we correcting or
Number one, ngicabanga ukuthi uminister wami Groenewald ubene interview not so long ago and ubekhuza lento yokuthi why kungabuyiswa i-corporal punishment because kunama petty crimes.
agcwalisa amajele nje mahhala?
Exactly, yabo ingane bekumele ngabe za reprimand wayifakwa endleleni ngendlela nje strict right. Siyoyimosha siyifake emajele experience yonke lento experience lapha ejele ziphume sigula. Kokunye enye into engakhulunywa enough ejele abantu bayafa sister.
Kuthiwa umuntu gwaza abulawe nje umeqe uqhubeke neplate yokudla.
Usengafa ungakwazwanga nje.
Babulawa yini?
Majita la. Ngiyadlala. Ngiyabona lengizoyikhuluma manje it goes out to la majita ahlala ethi mina mangingaboshwa mina ngeke bangenza lutho lapha bengangenza ngifile. Banamanga siswami ngoba yabona isel nesel ejele. Kunomuntu oyiphethe. And lowo muntu unabantu abala kuye. Angeke umenze next.
Yo.
Mabe kufuna kahle uzotholakala nje kahle. Wes ungene ejele nge-rape. Akekho umuntu akangena ejele nge-rape bangamrape ejele. Uzokutshela amanga lo.
Bakuzwisa lento oboyenza.
Bazokugogoda ngalo mfana.
Sure.
Yabo phela ukhumbule iboshwa obaba lapha bazele ngaphandle banezingane. I understand. And as the funny part ngabantu abakwi crime as much as be terrorize abelimazizwe ave benothando for imndeni yabo most yabo yabo igebengu ekuthandeni imndeni or ingane zabo bengenza noma yini. I understand. So uthi mawungena mhlawumbe uthi ungeniswa yizo lezinto zokubulala okurape nanto nangu lo mfowethu wabulala ubaba lapha akazona lo baba wabulala lo muntu wabulala and uzokujezela lo elejela ngeke ukufihla ukuthi ungeneleni ngeke uzukufihla.
So by ungena nje so unethikithi lakhe lishoyo ukuthi ungenele ini.
Angidingi ukuthi ungitshele ngomlomo wakhe ithikithi lizongitshela ukuthi ufunani.
Sure.
And obvious bayabuzana nabo bebona ukuthi abantu ungeneleni.
As we are wrapping up, one last question. Trump wenza umhlola la. Uthatha zonke izigebengu ezimkhathazile US uzidudulele eSwazini une contract esingayazi ethi izigebengu kufanele zilethwe eAfrica. Angizuka mention ama countries awa contactile but some of the countries fake the same proposal banqabe eSwaziland bavuma. As somebody who works in jail and ubuka isimo sasemajele nesimo saseswazini nesase South Africa so makhelwane kanje you can literally cross across izoba nayiphi impact lento enzo Trump.
Number one abantu baseswazini bonke baflocka ngapha and asikwazi ukuba identify as ama illegal foreigners because bakhuluma ilanguage efana neyethu. I understand. So manje leyo nto pose threat kuthini singala.
Asiphephile.
Because the land of milk and honey mawuseswazini yipi. South Africa. And njengamanje ngoba ngikhuluma ngithi isicelo sami ukuthi mfethu government imali khona siyabona amathende mfethu kuthiwa from 2018 sekudliwa imali almost 3 billion kuma tenders but kuthiwa abantu imali ayikho that's why bengaqashwa kwasho kwacima kanjani.
And okuningi unauthorized expenditure, fruitless expenditure beyonke lo mali ngabe idivert entweni ezophilisa abantu.
The simplest thing ezophilisa abantu mntama zonke lezi ngane zama graduates ezingasebenzi azifakwe kuma arms of services. Zonke azifakwe kuma arms of services sister. I understand. And enye into futhi sengivala sister ibhlungu lento eyenzakalayo la kule country ngoba kulula ukuthi nisibize ngeenhlamba nisitshela ukuthi emajele corrupt sifaka izinto yithi esilethi corruption emajele amaphoyisa ama-SAPS ayabribeka like nje the list goes on. Leyo nto hypocritical bafowethu ngoba masikhuluma iqiniso abekho abantu aba-underpaid njengama government employees kule country.
That's very true.
I understand. Be it ungawu-doctor ungayi-lawyer ungayi-whatever esebenza ku-government. U-doctor osebenza ku-government o-rich uDr Scam ama-medical aid.
Akekho rich nje at all here.
Ngiyakutshela
Yeah.
uDr Scam
Or rich or yes.
Yeah, the only way to survive yilokhu ukuthi ba-scam ama-medical aid. Osebenza ka-government ohola straight salary akahlukile kakhulu nami loyo muntu. Yeah, understand. And enye into sister ne sesivala ekuqasheni bengifisa ukuthi abantu baqashwe on merit mfethu. Yeah, understand. Ama-arms of services from defense uya kuwo wonke engawabala. I-level of incompetence i-high sister. And yazi ilethwa yini? Ilethwa ukuthi kuma-arms of services, not only kuma-arms of services, I would say kuma-government sectors wonke.
Kuya ngokuthi ubani.
Yeah, understand. Be it ngawo umasipala ngayini. Konke ama-government sectors sister. Abantu baqasha ngokwe-nepotism.
Kuya ngokuthi ubani nje.
Baqasha ngani ngama-sexual favors. Baqasha ngani ngokubribe. Yeah, understand. Zikhona ingane zakwethu ezinenhlanhla nedlozi eziyingenelayo ngaphandle kwaleyo nto but ziyidlanzana. Yeah, understand. Lebo lento le nepotism ilethi incompetence emsebenzini ngoba uzothi umuntu mayethi akaperform umsebenzi ukuthi akafuni yena. Mawuthi uyomreport akareporte because uma noma ubaba uyini.
Director.
Yeah, understand. But when I enter the very same mistake the next day uphumile. Yeah, understand.
Yeah,
It's
ne.
unfair. So bengifisa ukuthi njoba ngitshela the easiest way yokususa poverty abathatha ingane befike kuma-arms of services ihlazo ukuthi kwi-country abantu more than 60 million i-South African Police Services abantu abama-personnel khona ba-less than 200,000 sister nationwide.
Yeah.
Ikuphi safety yethu? So
Asiphephile.
sobuya ngelinye ilanga umunye part
Asiphephile
2.
sobuya no part 2 isikhathi sethu siphelile.
Yeah,
For
siphelile.
now alesivalelise elokugcina nje sovalelisa. Laba bagangayo bayahalela ukuyajwela.
Alokugcina sengivalelisa ukuthi abafethu asijwayeze ukufunda incwadi ne not incwadi zokuthi siyo graduate kusasa.
Yeah.
Kunezincwadi ezivula umqondo.
Eziqaqa ingqondo
Yeah, I
nje.
understand.
Yeah.
The power of positive thinking, the art of war. Ngaya zibe ningi. Yeah, I understand. Incwadi ezikwenza ukuthi ubone umhlaba ngenye indlela.
Differently.
Yabo ungaloku ubuka umhlaba ngendlela yepropaganda leyo inikwa imedia.
Sure.
Yeah, I understand. Seek information, funa information, ungatshelwa abantu ngento zifunela into uyazi wena ngobuwena. And uzazi ukuthi ubani.
Zazi ukuthi ubani. Ngomonde's words, not my words. Kodwa ke okubalekile ukuthi qaqa ingqondo yakho ufundise uzifundela i-information from the books because it's there. From me to you, love and peace. Have a lovely one. See you on the next episode. Hello, sanibonani Dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalola lwezibhekane zonihambela le kude phezulu. Do join.